Me can't believe say hot girl like me I take bus. But sometimes you have to be fool for catch wise. Or you have to be wise for catch fool. Anyway, me think one wise fool I come here now.
Hello, beautiful. Do you need a ride?
No, the question is, do you need a ride?
Excuse me?
Of course, hot girl like me want come in a limo.
I am Prince Mika from Atume.
Oh, that means you have money.
Yes, and I'm looking for a beautiful Jamaican princess to share my wealth with.
Oh, that means you have nobody in your life.
Yes, I am very single.
What you say? One stop driver! Let me off!
What is the problem?
Who book you? You know see the name of the show?
Wait, so that mean you only mess with people, man?
Exactly.